It's time for the 5-gallon bucket garden challenge update featuring this tomato right here. Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. So, yes, today's date is pretty close to the end of June right now. I'll show you guys the bottom first. So you can see the little cotton leading leaf right there. I haven't pruned any of this yet. Spin it around. You can see. You can see the little cotton leading leaf right there. After I edit and upload this, I'll probably prune this. It's coming together very, very nicely. Look at that, man. And there's that other one that I have. Oh, and Sunflower wants to say hi. Hi, everyone from CR, the Sunflower. Show you guys. Look at that. Again, some formation here for some of the flowers. I haven't pruned this like I said. It is coming together very nicely. And look at this nice growth that I have on this one right here. I'll have to prune it some more. The leaves are definitely big. it's like maybe it's about a foot above the soil line right now. I still have to put the cage or some sort of trellis on this. We'll see what I can do here once I prune this up a little bit more. And like I said, it's near the end of June right now. I guess what you'll see when I post this. It'll probably be in July, but I appreciate everyone dropping by. And like always, everyone, remember.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.